is up, my block heads? And I just got another 2 packs Pokemon cards, and these are regular packs. And so let's open the Kumala one first. It's pretty cool because you get a Pokemon pack and this. You know what see? Oh my gosh, guys. I get a coin of my favorite Pokemon, Lucario. And I got a holographic Komala and a code card if anybody wants it. Let's open this first pack. Ooh, that'd be cool if I got 2 cool things like my brother did. Okay. One, two, three, 4. Okay, let's do this. So we got a Water Energy, a Seviper, a Sophocles, a Ribombee, a Cutiefly, a Ladybug, a Lolan Grimer, a Riolu, yes, I love Riolu, a Meowth, a reverse holographic Slowking, and a Heracross. Time for our Silvally one. Let's hope I get something good out of this one. Burning Shadows. No, Crimson Invasion. If my brother gets 2 good things out of his packs, I'll be so jealous. Okay. Last pack. Let's hope I get something good. Okay, code card if anybody wants it. Oh, I don't know if I gave away the code card in the last one. Let me see if I can. Who cares? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Good card, good card, good card. We have a Electric Energy, a Grumpig, a Chinchino, a Haunter, a Skiddo, a Starly, a Numel, a Chimchino, Bunnelby, a Salazzle. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh yes! Oh my gosh! Oh yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Rainbow Hyper Rare Ultra Beast Kartana GX. Ooh! Let's go! Oh, let's go! Yes! Oh, I'm so happy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. So happy about this. Oh my gosh. These are better than both of my brother's cards combined. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank y'all guys so much for watching. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all guys later. Bloxyhead 1, 2, 3.